Le ibiyimini ebekulindeleke ukuba yenze imbali ngokuthi kutshintshwe isolotya elithile kumgaqo siseko. Kodwa amanani okuphumezisa lo mthetho uyilwayo khange avume. Ukuphumezisa lo mthetho, le ndlu yowiso-mthetho bekumele ifumene ivoti ezingama-267.
145 members voted against and 204 members voted in support of the bill. As the required majority has not been obtained in terms of Section 74, subsection 2 of the Constitution, the bill will not be read a second time.
Ngaphambili, amaqela aphikisayo aphinde ayiphikisa nengxelo yekomiti ebiququzelela ukuba kutshintshwe umgaqo-siseko.
We are not worried about those who are not supporting this bill, but we are quite confident that with or without them, the ANC is going to make the land available to the people.
Noxa nje amaqela aphikisayo emanyene ekukhabeni lo mthetho, izizathu azifani. I-EFF ifuna wonke umhlaba ube phantsi kukarhulumente. Ngexesha i-FF Plus ne-DA zibonakalise inkxalabo ngamalungelo okuba nendawo yokuhlala nokushishina.
There is no need to amend Section 25, and this bill falls foul of the constitutional test.
The current bill makes meaningless provision for the state to be a custodian of certain land and does not define what this certain land is.
This bill, if adopted, will not change land ownership patterns. The process has been used as a political tool.
This will be unconstitutional and in direct conflict with the current provisions of Section 25(2)(b and 25(3) of the South African Constitution.
It is not necessary to amend Section 25 of the Constitution, as the Constitution, the Restitution of Land Act, it protects property rights and also recognizes the need for the restoration of rights to those who have been dispossessed of their land.
We are satisfied that our voice was heard and that the bill is in its current form. In its current form, does not put a time limit on the unfair dispossession of land.
We hold a strong and uncompromising view that passing this bill would be the biggest sellout action that this parliament would have done.
International property law, which binds South Africa, recognizes nil compensation. It is against this background that we support the wording on the bill of nil compensation. As it is practice, it will mean the same as expropriation without compensation.
Akukacaci okwangoku ukuba umbutho ophetheyo uza kudibanisa amathambo engqondo axoze ngamphini wumbi. Xulelani Philip, SABC News ephalamende.